Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I just added something to my TLX that'll pretty much work on any vehicle, and it's not expensive and it adds just a little splash to the interior of your vehicle. Again, it's nothing major, but it does help and just adds that nice little touch that I like. And I think you guys will really like it for your vehicle, and it doesn't matter what you drive, it should be standard across too. So let me go ahead and get right into it. So on most vehicles, especially the Acura TLX here, they put the liners in the cup holders and they do come out, but they're very hard to get out. There's even a little tab on them that you could pull to remove them to wash them, but it's very hard to even get that out. It's just such a tight fit. And I'll show you exactly here what I'm talking about if you haven't seen it. So these little things come out. There's a little tab here, but it's so hard to get your finger in there and actually pull them out. They get like kind of stuck in there. So I wanted to add something that makes it a little easier to keep clean, add a little splash of like some color here. So I picked these up, and of course they aren't real carbon fiber, but they have a nice look to them, a nice 3D look to them, and they'll fit right in. They actually fit these perfectly with the liner installed. You just set them in place. And what I like about them is, so if you have coffee or anything like that and it drips, these are so easy to take out and just wipe off. And they have like they're not soft, but you can put your nail into them a little bit. So it's not going to add all this rattling around like it's hard plastic, which is important. But like I said, it's nothing major, but I do like how it looks, especially when the light shines on it. And as you can see here, they're not super thick, so it's not really going to add any height to the cup holder. But they have a nice three-dimensional look, which is what I like, because I'm going to add some more carbon fiber in here. And if you have the OEM parts, it'll flow really nicely, but just drop them in. And like I said, they're a great fit, so they don't move around either. And just adds that nice look, especially, like I said, the light hits it at night. Looks really good. And as you can see, it's a great fit. They're actually even, you have to get your nail under those too, because there's not really any room around it. So it is a nice snug fit. I believe they're like 2 3/4 inches in diameter. You have to measure yours, but they should fit on most cup holders, but it'll make cleaning it easier. And I just like the little add of color that it adds, the 3D look. Like I said, I'm going to add more here, some carbon pieces for the door panels here and the whole center console, just to add a little bit more, something else other than all the flat black. But they have these, you can get them on eBay. I got these on Amazon. You just type up carbon fiber cup holder liners, and they have a ton of different ones when they're pretty much all the same. But yeah, they don't move at all. Like I said, I put Yetis in there, and if anything fits in there, it's not going to really change that too much. So again, nothing super exciting on this one, but no recalls today. If you have any questions, comments, definitely leave them below. I'll get right back to you as always. Hope everyone's having a great day though, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.